Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a V2Ray VPN server. First, you'll need to select a virtual private server, or VPS, from a reputable provider. Consider options like DigitalOcean or Vultr. Next, choose an operating system for your server. Ubuntu or Debian are excellent choices. Make sure your chosen server has at least 512 megabytes of RAM for smooth operation. This foundational step is crucial for a stable V2Ray environment. Once your VPS is ready, connect to it using an SSH client. Tools like PuTTY for Windows or OpenSSH for Linux and Mac OS work perfectly. After logging in, you will download and run the official V2Ray installation script. This script automates most of the setup process, making it straightforward. Always verify that the V2Ray service is active and running properly immediately after the installation completes. Now let's configure V2Ray. You'll need to edit the main configuration file, usually found at /etc/v2ray/config. JSON. Inside, set up an inbound protocol like vMess and generate a unique user ID or UUID for security. Also, configure an outbound protocol, often set to direct for standard internet access. Remember to open essential firewall ports, such as port 443, for secure TLS connections. Finally, it's time to connect your client. Install a V2Ray client application on your device. V2Ray N for Windows or V2Ray NG for Android are popular choices. Import your server's configuration details into the client. This typically involves scanning a QR code or manually entering the information. Once configured, test the connection to confirm your V2Ray VPN is working perfectly, providing you with secure and private internet access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.